How conscious are your socks? This is Alex. This is Adam. Alex likes socks. Adam likes tacos. Alex had a new idea on how to make socks more sustainable.
Huh.
Adam wanted to focus on making them look cool. They launched a Kickstarter campaign. It kicked ass. Summer came around, so they made the world's best summer socks. Another Kickstarter campaign. It also kicked ass. Adam had a concern. What about those of us without cool socks? So they donated some socks to people in need, and they said, that's awesome. Socks are the least donated item. There are 100 million homeless people worldwide, and socks are the least donated item in homeless shelters. Then Alex had a new idea.
We should change that.
For each pair purchased, Solosocks will donate a pair to a homeless charity in your country. Thanks, man! And every time you buy a pair of our new socks, we donate a warm and durable pair. Produced in Europe, designed in Scandinavia, and made from certified organic combed cotton. Get some awesome socks for yourself and help someone in need. This is a great idea. Here's a taco. Solosocks Share. Buy some awesome socks and help the homeless near you.